Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to return item on AliExpress. So open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and enter My Orders section. Here find order that you want to return and tap on it to open its details, and there you should see button Returns and Refund. So now it should look like this. The first thing that you have to do when you want to make a return to AliExpress is answer a few questions. The first question is, did you receive your item? So here select yes. And the second question is whether you want to return your item. Select yes as well. Then you have to provide a reason why you're requesting your return. So tap this arrow and you will see a list of reasons, and you have to tap one reason that describes your problem the best. Tap continue, and here you can enter refund amount if you want to get your refund, but usually when you make a return to AliExpress you will not get your refund. Tap continue, and here you should confirm your return method. So there are two methods, and the first one is AliExpress free return service, and the second method is self drop off. So for yourself you have to decide which is better for you and select one of those. Tap continue, and here in this box you can provide more information. So what I mean by that is that you have to write a few sentences where you in details describe what happened and what is the reason of return. Maybe that your item is damaged, it could be wrong, or you simply do not want it anymore. And you have to upload a photo or video right here so that this is like a proof for the seller. And of course submit your request. Usually requests are processed within a few business days, and after your request is approved, make sure that you get your free return label. So in order to get your return label you have to go to your order and tap on it to open its details, and go to dispute page. So there you should see your free return label. Next you have to print this label and attach it to your package, and within 15 days after receiving your label you have to drop your parcel at the local post office and basically wait until your package is delivered to your seller back. So that's basically how you can make a return on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel.